Let's talk about Crawlspace sump pump installation in Roswell, Georgia. Crawlspace sump pump installation. Sump pumps come in handy when you are trying to prevent crawlspace flooding. Sump pump installation will prevent many problems ranging from mold growth to wood warping, wood rotting, pest infestation, and insect infestation in crawl spaces. Assuming you are ready to install the pump, what are the steps to follow? Step 1. Collect your tools and supplies. You'll need a sump pump, drain tile, sump check valve, a basin, an all-purpose cement kit, a shovel, garden hose, pipe cutting tool, wrench, screwdrivers, and drill for a typical installation job. You may need a light source depending on how dark your crawl space is. Step 2. Prepare your work area. Before the actual installation, you must prepare the crawl space. Choose an ideal installation location. This step involves removing debris, trash, old lumber, etc. When selecting the perfect location for your pump, choose the lowest location where water accumulates. Step 3. Establish your drain tile layout. When using a drain tile layout, you need to plan ahead. Drain tiles may not be necessary for sump pump systems. However, you are bound to enjoy faster water removal if the area in question is large. If water is concentrated in one space, plan to install drain tile in this area. Step 4. Dig. Proceed by digging the sump basin hole and drain tile trench, if you are using one. The hole should be enough to fit the sump basin and allow some room for rock aggregate around and underneath the sump basin. Create trenches for drain tiles in a similar manner with adequate space. Also, remember to slope the drain tile trenches. Important: don't dig dirt near foundation footings or walls. You may need the help of Crawlspace sump pump installation experts or a structural engineer to avoid costly and dangerous mistakes. Step 5. Prepare your sump basin. It's advisable to purchase a sump basin that is ready for use. Preparing a sump basin involves tasks like adding holes that require the right tools. The sump basin also needs to fit into your crawl space access, which can complicate matters further. Step 6. Install sump basin. Before placing your sump basin, place some gravel into your sump hole and place your sump basin. Proceed by connecting your drain tile pipe on the side of your basin and lay your drain tiles. Fill spaces around your sump basin and drain tile with aggregate. Step 7. Install your sump pump. Prepare your pump for attachment to the discharge pipe, ensuring the pipe will fit perfectly to the discharge. Most sump pumps are sold with clear preparation and installation instructions. Prepare your pump accordingly and place it in your sump basin. Ensure the area is clean. Your pump will work by discharging any accumulated water entering the sump basin. Finish by attaching the sump cover, connecting the discharge plumbing and power. Depending on the pump system, you may be required to vent, which demands local plumbing code knowledge. Step 8. Finish ground work and discharge plumbing work. Finish by leveling the ground around your sump basin and drain tile to allow easy water flow. You'll also need to do discharge plumbing work that can involve cutting through your home's wall to pass plumbing outside. Step 9. Test. Connect your pump and test. For safe and perfect connections, follow the manufacturer's guidelines. This process may involve adding water to the sump basin to test. The above steps oversimplify Crawlspace sump pump installation. You need plumbing and electrical knowledge to install a sump pump correctly. Local building code knowledge is also important. When you consider the time, tools, and supplies needed, you are better off hiring an expert.